welcome to my channel. I have two growing pet toys. One is a snake and one is a dinosaur. I am so excited to see what will grow from inside. Grr, grr, sss, sss. Now come, let's open it. But be careful, do not swallow it. You should also be careful because this is only for 3+ year kids. This is dinosaur's egg. This is snake egg. We need 2 glasses of water. Let's immerse it in water and then keep it inside. The egg is looking so fat inside. Let's wait for 12 hours for the egg to hatch. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, welcome back. Now let's see what happened to those eggs. Ooh, the eggs have hatched. Now let's transfer those tiny ones to the new water. Now let's come back tomorrow and see if the tiny ones has grown up till the sky. Bye. Hi, today is the 3rd day. I have got a new haircut. Hope you all like it. Now let's see what happened to the toys. Ooh, they have grown so big. These are going to be my favorite pets. I'm going to play with them. Dishum, 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 dishum. Bye. See you next time. Thank you.